Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to download images using Python. We'll explore different methods and libraries to efficiently handle this task. Let's dive right in. We're going to install the needed dependencies for this tutorial at the start. Our first method involves using the request library, which is perfect for downloading single images. Here's how it's done. So you can observe a downloaded Python logo from the URL. To download multiple images quickly, we can use threading. Here's an example using Python's concurrent module. As you can observe, we launched a parallel download for two files simultaneously. Handling errors and implementing retries is crucial for robust downloading. We use the Tenacity library for this purpose. It was a library we installed at the start of the tutorial. Before you start downloading images, always remember to respect the website's terms of service, check for copyright restrictions, and consider the ethical implications of web scraping. That wraps up our tutorial on downloading images with Python. You now have the tools to download images efficiently and responsibly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.